Hi everyone, I'm Tae Jiaxun, an electrical engineering student from UNIMAP. In this video, we are going to present our mini project, Intelligent Fire Alarm System. Intelligent Fire Alarm System is designed to warn people when fire happens and increase the effectiveness of the fire rescue. The fire alarm can switch between normal, warning, and danger state based on the input and activate the correct output to control the fire. To show how the fire alarm works, two situations are presumed. I will show one of it and my teammate Velik will show the other.
This is the sequential logic circuit of the fire alarm. The fire alarm consists of 3 input and 4 output. The inputs are heat detector, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. These detectors are used to detect the fire quick and accurately. Siren, warning light, fire sprinkler, door smart lock are the outputs. Siren and warning light are used to warn people when the fire happens. Siren is used to warn the blind and normal people, while the warning light is used to warn the deaf people. Fire sprinkler included in the fire alarm to control or reduce the spread of the fire, and the door smart lock is used to unlock the door for the rescue. The fire alarm consists of 3 states, which are normal, warning, and danger. In the first situation, the fire alarm was at the normal state in the beginning. After that, all the input activated and turned the fire alarm into danger state. In this state, all the output were activated to warn people and increase the efficiency of the firefighting operation. When the fire is extinguished, the heat detector will deactivated, but the smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector are still activated. This situation will happen because carbon monoxide is produced when incomplete combustion happens. Then the fire alarm will turn into the warning state. This is because when breathing air with a high concentration of carbon monoxide will reduce the amount of oxygen transported into the bloodstream. Therefore, siren and warning light are still activated to warn people, but the fire sprinkler and door smart lock will be deactivated in this state. When there is no carbon monoxide in the house, the carbon monoxide detector will deactivated, and this turns the fire alarm into normal state. In this state, all the output will be deactivated, or we can say there is no output in this state, and this indicates that the house is now safe for the people to enter. Thank you, and my teammate Velik will present the next situation.
Thanks, Jiaxun. I'll now take over the demonstration. My name is Kowelik, question number 2010 and 960. So, except for what previously Jiaxun has stated, there are still another cases I will talk about today. Is case number 2 of the intelligent fire alarm system. Okay, let me show you. First is the normal state, which is nothing happened. The output is all off, and which the case number 2, the first is it detected the smoke first, and it will go into the warning state, which the siren and the warning light were activated because the CO is a dangerous gas. It will block the oxygen of the blood, deprive the heart's brain and other important organ of the oxygen. After that, when the heat is activated, all the output were also activated the door lock, the fire smoker will also activated. So as also mentioned before, the warning light and siren. So afterward is the heat detector. Detector is deactivated. The it will goes back to the warning state, which only the two outputs is still activated with the siren and the warning light. So if the heat detector is activated, the wildfire will turn to the normal state yet because the CO still there is to warn people they are still danger, better not getting close to it. So this is like the example of your neighbor or something where near your house is on fire, it will detect a smoke and it goes into the warning state, siren, and the warning light will activated, helps to warn the people that might be danger. And afterward, the heat is coming, which means the fire is near you and it's very very in the dangerous situation. So it's go into the danger state. So then finally the fire is slowly been pulled off. It's going back to the warning state because the CO like still in there. So except from these two cases, I think there might be still some cases we have not covered yet. But what we demo might be the common situation where all the people would face because it's mostly happen around the houses. So the fire alarm I think is really for me is really important in our daily life. So to prevent and reduce the loss and the fire incident happens, I think install a fire alarm is a better choice for every people to do so. I think that's all from me today and thank you for watching and
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Good day to all my lecturer and friends. Okay, today I would like to explain for the conclusion part. Okay, finally, the mini model used to used to successfully construct the fire alarm project. The mini model method implementation was a success. We may deduce from the project that the output of the Mealy model is solidly dependent, determined by the present state and present external input. Under/below the state in a circle, the output is included. Based on the state diagram and state table, the simplified equation from emit was produced. The information in state table is the same as in the state diagram. Before designing the logic circuit diagram, K-map is used to simplify the equation into the simplest equation. Okay, that's all for the conclusion. Thank you.